I purchased this Duspro dried moss for some potting and propagation projects I was getting ready to do. I wanted a good quality sphagnum moss without artificial dyes. This product indicated that it's made from 100% hand-packed, naturally sourced, and sun-dried forest moss. For my initial use, I only needed a small amount of moss, so I broke off about a third of the brick. I followed the simple instructions to add it to a container filled with warm water. Within about 8 minutes, the moss reconstituted and fluffed up to a whole lot more than I was expecting. Each 5-ounce pack contains 140 grams of dried moss, which expands up to 4 quarts in volume once hydrated. I was really impressed at how much comes out of this small dried brick and how easy it was to hydrate. As I was working with it, I was happy to find that the moss is really high quality and I haven't come across any twigs or pieces of bark, which can be common in moss. So far, I've used the moss for propagating plant cuttings and using as toppers in my potted plants, but it's also great for DIY crafts, terrariums, wreaths, and more. If you're in the market for good quality sphagnum moss, I would definitely check out this option from Duspro. They come in several sizes to choose from, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. I hope this overview and demo was helpful. Thanks for watching.